This six-figure no sales call funnel had caused over 46k cash collected for my business and for my clients, over some clients over $13,000 in 7 days. So let's get it started. If you want to replicate these kind of results for your high ticket affiliate coaching business, watch it through the end and subscribe for weekly videos on this channel from me. So I'm gonna short this up a little bit. Let's get it started. So as I mentioned, we did 46k cash collected and 15,200 cash collected in last 30 days without following any old norm. What that really means, majority of the market is going through a big shift that people don't want to spend their times on the calls right now. People don't have time for this stuff anymore, and they know when they jump on a call what's gonna happen, what is happening. Everybody's aware about these things. Now it's time to focus more on the what's gonna really get the results and focus on your marketing and focus on your funnels. So I'm gonna show you some stuff what we are doing in our business that you can replicate in your business. So guys, we have these two audience facing platforms, Facebook and YouTube. Today I'm gonna talk about this. We have this YouTube channel too. I'm gonna talk a little bit about this too. This is more of, I don't use this as a lead attracting platform. I use it more of a nurturing hub for my already in people in my audience, already in my community. So gonna not talk much about that. It's a simple, we create videos, we do interviews with millions in the industry, we do a lot of these kind of stuff, client results, and more value driven. So to get the prospect nurture, not to get new clients from YouTube, but to get prospect nurture. So I'm not talking about this today, but this is where the real game happens, Facebook. So what we do is every single day we post content. Every single day we post helpful content for our audience to help them out, the results they want to achieve, things like that. I'm gonna do this a little bit. Perfect. So, and this is how we can attract. I'm gonna show you something. Last year we have almost at same time this year 500 followers. Right now I have more than 7,000 followers on my Facebook, and this kind of lead to people getting this lead because of people getting attracted towards what we are doing and what we are putting on our Facebook feed. Right now, first thing first, lot of people just do even ignore this part that this should be 100% clear, not just that written aspect or what this represents. What is the subconscious minds they're doing right behind. So the reason I posted this picture, I'm gonna go deep on this a little bit. I'm gonna show freedom. That's my motto, right? I'm gonna show you how to make $20,000 a month basically from your phone, laptop, and in 3 hours a day. So what it represents is freedom, right? So if you're representing freedom, show something like that. It's gonna be clear that Paris does this or this person does this. If I tell my clients too, if you want to represent family, show your family in that. If you are really focused on helping people spending more time with their families, focus more on that. I am more about freedom, right? Freedom, you can travel, freedom, you can spend more time with the family, lot of things you can do with the freedom. And this was big for me because I was stuck at a job that I hate for 4 years and I didn't want to do anymore, and that's what I really want to help people with. So next thing is showing them and posting things like not just about who you are, but showing them your strategy as well. So a lot of people can share, I did this, but what is the plan of attack? So sharing this video, it is a plan of attack, sharing what I'm doing right now, sharing results, what is happening, sharing all the deeper stuff, what is happening, and sharing what I'm doing right now. Just keep sharing the journey on your Facebook, and this will attract the right people to your platform and that wanna be close with you. So I'm gonna go a little bit more examples. Now, did you see the combination of it? I'm sharing strategy. I can even go to like last 4 posts. That's all. I can show you what this really means. I can show you results and what is happening in the business. Then what is happening in the life. I just did an interview for a TV show, like had a 400 plus, like something nearby that audience. Then sharing a little bit of proof, like I did this, the studio, and sharing like the way I talk, the way I do things, the way the way I think. That's a big factor into that. So this gonna lead to this. Now, when people are attracted towards this, our whole little world of Facebook, they can join this community here. So I'm gonna take you to the community. When they are in the community, I keep it simple because the reason I keep it like this, like with this, but I just remove these things. Now guys, this is done. We are focusing on this part. So, and just see the speed of this. The time I created it was 768. Right now we have more than 850 members in the community, and it's keep on growing. I can show you some real numbers, and it's keep on growing. You can see, I can have a look. Grow group, no, not there. I can have a look. Just again, I don't know how to find it, but we can find it, I think. Growth. So you can see the growth, right? 10% growth. 10% growth is big, guys. If your growth is like 800, like 10% is basically you're adding 80 more people. So, and see the growth of it. Member request, you can see, approved, you can see, and you can, this is real numbers, guys. I'm showing you these things. And this, the reason people get attracted, this is so powerful. So let's get back to this. So, a lot of people think they need to make it some crazy cover. I keep it simple because it's congruent. Congruent makes a big difference because they're 100% clear. Like this is Paras Dabra. He will help with this thing. So make it clear, like Paras Insider scaling 6 figures with no sales call ecosystem. We help people build their ecosystem so they can scale their business to 6 figures in their online coaching space, affiliate space. You choose what you want to do. Now we just remove this, kept it simple. Now see this, guys, these we have some featured links here. Featured basically means we are leveraging this platform that people can find their way through themselves. They are not confused at all when they start. First thing they watch is this, welcome to the community. Second, they watch is the 9-minute walkthrough. Third, they have guides. They can have a look through the guides. We do regularly interviews with millions in the industry. We do trainings every single week. If you're not part of the community, we're happy to have you and just answer some question. We'll go that on as well. I want to keep it a little bit detailed, guys, today. So stay with me. I'm going to show you some amazing stuff, how you can make it crystal clear for the community who is not forced. You're not talking to unqualified prospects. So they can watch their guides here. They have a lot of trainings. They have interviews with people. I have done a lot of interviews we have. So very simple stuff. So just keep these things in mind, what you can do, and slowly start building your ecosystem. Now see this. They might be watching just one of my Facebook thing. Now they're in the community. Now they're consuming this. And before jumping into community, I'm going to talk and the guides. And they know I have a YouTube channel. Now, before jumping into community, what everyone has to go through is these questions. These questions make a big difference, guys. You miss this on your own risk. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you're 100% clear. Step 1, require. Where are you currently in your business? Starting 5K, 10K, where they are. Just letting me know if they're right person for the community or not. Enter your best email, so I am collecting the emails too, so building my assets on the way, so that things are clear too. Then this makes a crucial and giving them something huge they can get benefit from. That's a big deal, because why would they give you email if they're not giving some benefits? It's like exchange of value, right? Then would you like to Paras Dabra to message you to see how you can scale without clear message here? Step 3 required. If they don't reply to any of these questions, you don't have to accept them in your community. Would you like to Paras Dabra to message you to scale, see how you can help you scaling 20K a month above without sales call in 3 hour max a day? So it's clear. If the person say yes, talk to them. If the person no, you're not entering the community. Simple as that. If they're interested on this topic, we will only let people who are interested in this topic in the community. We don't have to, be, what do you call that? Be sugar coated, and it's business, guys. Treat it like a real business. It pays you like a real business. So This is an exact strategy I'm using, and this leads to talking to people. And when prospects or somebody want to talk with me, they can engage. When the people engage on my content, they can I can talk with them, I can help them something. And they like, see, if for example I gave someone a call to like free DM me, free candidate, and drop me some details, I can talk to these people and they can be my clients. And the process get really simple. So we are talking leverage here. Every single button I pressed here is leading to something. Setting them on a strategy. Now I'm awaiting them. We have a community, and now they can part of community, and it's leading like a funnel to that. They are not even aware like this is a funnel that is happening. So this is a strategy you can use right now. It's just pretty hot. Like, how can I explain it better? We gained like literally 6,500 followers 1 year. And we are not talking about entertainment content. It's business content. And it's not normal for a business content to go this big. So hope this helps you a lot in your business. Create your community, create your assets on the way. I gave you a lot of examples too. Feel free, if you're not in the community yet, watch how we are doing these things, how we are attracting clients, how we are talking to those well nurtured clients. We are not just, just imagine this. If I just focus on, okay, like if somebody come to me, follow me on Facebook, just start talking to them, it's not gonna work because they're cold prospect. But if they are nurtured, they are on my Facebook, they are on my Facebook community, they are on my YouTube, they're watching my content. Now they are nurtured, now they are know what to do. Now the marketing is doing the work. You are not heavy lifting everything. Now the marketing is doing the work, and this is how will lead to chat and DM by focusing on this part, and then we can show them the offer. Then it leads to this benefits: collect 10k, 20k a month profit, clear calendar, building asset on the way, high leverage, no team needed, no overhead cost. This gives you a lot of clarity. How I got $46,000 in last 4 months for my business. If you get value from these videos, guys, please subscribe and like, and appreciate you. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.